Hello viewers, today I am going to show my YouTube channel Solution Jonas how to use two Facebook apps in all Android phone. Okay, let's start. Follow my whole step. First open phone settings. Scroll down. Open special function. Scroll down. Click on dual apps. Open Facebook. So finally to Facebook use. Thank you.